Hey there, welcome to this video on Adobe Premiere Pro Basics. I'm just going to go over the basic layout of the program to orient yourself. Okay, as you can see, the interface is organized into panels. So as you see, I'm clicking on the panels. They're highlighted in blue to show which one's active. There's four main panels. The first is the project panel. This is where you can import and organize media assets for the project. The second is the source monitor panel. You can actually preview clips here before you start working on them. All right. The third panel here is the program monitor panel. Here you can preview the project as you're in the process of creating it. The fourth main panel here is the timeline panel. This allows you to arrange and edit, move your clips around in your actual project itself. And this is actually, I would say, the fifth panel here is a tools panel. So I like to keep that nice and skinny. Okay, the next big idea is to understand the idea that you can arrange the size of the windows and move them around. So to change the size, you want to pick the panel that you actually want to scale, go all the way to the right, and you can start moving it back and forward to your liking. You can also move panels around. You want to start at the top, click on the top left, and then you just drag and drop. You'll see another little interface come up, and you highlight and drop where you want it to go. And then obviously you can just resize it once you move it. Let's do one more example. You just drag this, move it to the left, let's say, and it moves it over. Okay, and that's the basics there.